This is your sign to upgrade your children's summer from standard childcare to a meaningful, future-focused adventure.
Welcome to Learning Made Fun's Create Camps.
Hi, I'm Connor.
And I'm Magella.
And we are...
Married.
Oh, I was actually going to say teachers, but yes.
Yeah, we're also teachers.
That too. For the last decade, me and Magella have worked in international schools around the Middle East and Vietnam, places renowned for their 21st century approach to learning, with a heavy focus on STEAM, science, technology, engineering, art and maths, and cutting-edge project-based learning.
We've also grown a YouTube channel with over 26,000 subscribers, taking children on learning adventures all across the globe.
And now we're bringing that experience home with us. Our Create Camps are built on the same project-based learning approach that we've used in those schools. And instead of memorizing facts for the sake of it, children actually learn to solve a real-world mission.
The Create cycle guides every step. C for curiosity, O for remember, E for experiment, F for apply, T for tell, and A for evaluate.
It's about turning education into an active adventure. So right here in Donegal, we are going to introduce you to the Smugglers Quest. We're teaming up with the Smuggler Creek Inn to take children on an epic pirate adventure inspired by the men of the mist. They'll begin their quest by hearing some pirate stories, the legend of the smugglers of Rossnowla.
And of course by having some compulsory hot chocolate.
Actually, we didn't say yes to the hot.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fine. We can have some hot chocolate.
And marshmallows.
No marshmallows.
And marshmallows.
Okay, fine. We'll have marshmallows as well. They'll use STEAM skills, science, technology, engineering, art and maths, to create maps, navigate the coastline, solve clues, and design their own model rafts. They'll even perform a beach rescue challenge involving flying drones to solve the mystery of the lost treasure.
It's history, science and adventure rolled into one unforgettable week.
Currently, we've got 2 dates confirmed. Join us on the 6th to the 10th of July.
Or from the 13th to the 16th in Rossnowla Beach.
Which will be right here in Rossnowla Car Park beside the lifeguard hut. We'll be using the Farmers Market marquee for that adventure. And if you'd like to find out more about the dates and how to book, we'll use the link provided under this video.
Places are strictly limited, so if you book before the 20th of June, your child will get a free t-shirt.
We also have an early bird discount running right now, and we'll even take off up to 15% of your total for siblings booking on to the summer camp.
Be fast with that one.
Be fast, baby.
Don't wait. Once the spots are gone, the treasure is lost.
Book your slots, guys, and we'll see you there. Bye.
Bye.